Good morning, I'm here today with Rhys, and Rhys works for Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig. We are here today in Ffiws in Porthmadog. Rhys, would you like to talk a bit more about Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig and Ffiws in particular?
Yeah, so Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig is responsible for running the Leader programme here in Gwynedd, and the Leader programme is a form of rural development, and there is a emphasis on piloting projects. So that means trying to find innovative ways of dealing with issues that face Gwynedd and the rural areas within Gwynedd. And one of the projects that I work on is Ffiws. Ffiws is a maker space, and it's filled with high-tech equipment. So we've got 3D printers, laser cutter, heat press, and some other stuff as well. And all of these equipments are available to use for free. We've got technicians here that offer training on the equipment for free as well. We also run workshops, training, we have guest speakers here. So it's basically just an open, cooperative space for people to come, learn new skills, meet other local makers in the area, and hopefully create a network of makers, and to also try and encourage people to be innovative, help businesses to prototype ideas as well. So yeah, that's what Ffiws is.